Hey guys, you're welcome back to my channel. This is data app Airdrop. Have you started mining this project or are you still procrastinating? In this video, I'm going to show you the reasons why you're supposed to mine this project. You need to start mining this project right now that the mining speed is high, as the mining speed won't remain forever. Right now, the mining speed is very high. I started this project 2 days ago and look at the token I have right here. Look at this TC I have right here, 30 points. The mining speed is very high. A time will come when this mining speed will be very low. Before you will mine 1 DTC, you will spend days on it. Why don't you take advantage of this right now? I've already made a video on how to get started. So in this video, I'm also going to show you the necessary thing that you need to take. Look at the total number of people that are mining this project. Look at this total number. When I started, it was just 1,060 people. And look at the numbers right away. Why don't you take advantage of this project? Now, if you scroll down, look at the total allocation and the mining ratio. The total allocation is 300 billion. 300 billion is the total allocation. While the mining ratio is 18 billion, that is 0.01%. Why can't you join this project right away? Why can't? What is holding you? Now, the registration and the mining trend, the registration volume, you can see is very high. The registration volume is very high. Use that opportunity now to mine and accumulate points. It's not difficult. Watch my other video on how to get started. Once sometimes some people are complaining that they are not getting the verification code. Give it time. Keep on trying. Once you send the message either via SMS or WhatsApp, go back to the site and click on I have completed the verification, and you will start mining immediately. Then you can equally add your friends. That is to increase your cycle. If you tap on this side, you can increase your cycle. This one's direct referred, but this is the friend that referred me, Gideon. And look at indirectly. This indirectly here means that if my referrals also referred people, I'm also getting a percentage from that referral. And right here is my graph. That is the total number of people that I have referred and my referral. That is what is showing here. So why can't you take advantage of this project now that it's still early? Now that the mining rate is very high. If you click on menu here, you can see your security cycle. You can put your security cycle. I still don't know why my own security cycle is not going. I keep on don't know why, but I will try, and once I get it right, I will get back to you guys. Start mining. Put your security cycle. You just have to copy the person's. Look at the people that I'm providing their security. Look at these people. They have already used my DID as their security cycle. So if peradventure they lost their phone or their accounts, they can reach out to me and I will give a good result that this person, I know this person, he's using me as a referral cycle, as a security cycle. By then I will now issue a verification code for the person to be able to log into his or her account. That's just the essence of this security cycle. So join this team, join this project, and be fast about it. If you have not started, link in the video description. Do well to subscribe, like, and share. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.